So here's some small details about this CEO assassin. Born into a wealthy family, attends a $40,000 a year private school, and he becomes valedictorian. Earns a bachelor's and a master's in computer science by 26. No criminal records. Goes on vacations everywhere. Internships, builds a resume. Spends free time exploring AI, mushrooms. He writes reviews on TED Talks. No signs of instability. This guy was going to be well off in life. He disappeared from friends for 3 months and then kills United Healthcare CEO. I don't know. There's some kind of fishy about this whole thing.